This is a review of the Crave Protection Series case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything what you get inside this package and pretty much test this case cover out to see whether or not if this is worth it for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max case out of the package, and one of the first few things I do want to mention about this case from Crave is that I love how the layout is. The patterns are absolutely phenomenal. It feels very nice, and it feels very high quality. When I hold it, it feels very nice and sturdy. And not just that, but on the backing of it has a lot of patterns too. It looks really nice, even on the attention to detail on the on the bottom of it. It looks really outstanding. And this is on a forest green color, and you can see here it has the slots right here to adjust the volume, and the camera option as well too is right over there. Then the whole camera screen's right over here. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and show you guys how it looks when it's on it. Okay, so I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover on, and you can see that it says Crave right over here. The name is right over here. It looks really fantastic. One of the first few things I do want to mention is that I love how the pattern overlay is right here. It has a very smooth touch to the feel. It feels very, it feels very good when you hold it. So like me holding it, it feels very nice. It feels very sturdy, and not just that, but one thing I love about it is that it's also a slim design and doesn't add to, like, a lot of bulk or weight to it. And it feels very it doesn't feel like I have a iPhone 17 Pro Max case on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it feels super lightweight. That's a huge plus I love about it. Other than that, I just love how the buttons feel when you volume up, volume down. You can see it, it really is like, it's not like anything interfering with it. And the mute button's right over here. The power on and off is right over here. And I absolutely, love how this case feels. Like, it feels super lightweight. It has a nice touch to it. And not just that, but it's also shockproof as well too, meaning that it protects it if it falls down. So all these stuff combined together, I would overall highly recommend if you're looking for an iPhone 17 Pro Max for your, a brand new case, then I would definitely recommend this case from Crave, because of the fact that it really does, it feels very nice. It feels a slim design. It doesn't add a lot of bulk, a lot of weight to your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you want it to feel exactly the way it feels without the cover, then I would definitely recommend this one, because it is extremely super lightweight. It feels very nice to the touch, and overall it feels very smooth. The buttons work really fantastic, and overall I am absolutely happy with this case from Crave, and I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Then I would definitely recommend Crave then.